For question 9 from the homework, from chapter 8 homework, they ask us to draw the Lewis structure for the phosphate anion following the octet rule. So they want us to follow the octet rule. And so maybe I think a good place to start is maybe we're not 100% comfortable in how to use this platform to draw Lewis structures. So the red circle is the highlighted atom. So we want to make that phosphate or phosphorus right now. And we're going to need to have 4 bonds off of that central atom. And we're going to make those oxygen. So got oxygen, right? Go around. Make sure everything surrounding that is oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. And we have to follow the octet rule, they said, for this. So, okay, following the octet rule, phosphorus has 8 electrons in its outer shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we want to assign and we want to fill the valence, the outer electrons, the non-bonding electrons on oxygen. So we've got each oxygen selected, and we're going to need to have 6 electrons on each to fill the octet on all of these oxygens. So that's all we do. Take that all the way up to 6. Now we have the correct number of electrons assigned. We have the correct number of bonds, right, to phosphorus. And now we need to assign a formal charge, right? Formal charge is group number minus assigned electrons. So oxygen is group number 6. And for assigned electrons, we would count all of the non-bonding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 non-bonding and half of the bonding. There's 1 bonding electron here. So oxygen is group 6 and I have 7 electrons assigned. So for a formal charge, right, we'd have -1 on the oxygen. We'd have -1 on all of these oxygens, and we would have a +1 on the phosphorus. That wasn't the question. The question was, after you do this, after you make this Lewis structure, what is the hybridization of that central phosphorus? Well, the hybridization of this central phosphorus is, well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 electron domains. 4 electron domains. To have 4 electron domains, I need 4 hybrid orbitals. So I'm going to mix together 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals, blend those all together to get 4 hybrid orbitals that are sp3 hybridized. Right, so hybridization on the central phosphorus is sp3 hybridized based on the 1, 2, 3, 4 electron domains around that central phosphorus. Following, right, we haven't broken the octet rule for anything in that structure.